guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make post-workout protein shake without protein powder for both men and women. So without wasting much time, let's get started. But before that, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon for latest updates. So first take a bowl and put 2 tablespoons of oats into it. Now add in 1 chopped apple, 4 to 5 almonds, half cup of milk, and keep it aside for at least 5 minutes. Now pour the mixture into this blending jar. Now add in 3 dates and also add 5 cashew nuts, and again add half cup of milk. And if you don't have dates, you can add in 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetness. And blend on high speed until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Now pour the blended protein shake into a serving cup. And top it with half teaspoon of flax seeds and half teaspoon of pumpkin seeds. These are optional. So the post-workout protein shake is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. Please do try this at home and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye.